If you don't know who I am, my name is Danny. Might even turn this video into like a channel trailer, probably. But yeah, my name is Daniel Gaia. I tend to use Danny a lot, as you could even tell from that slight mistake that I just made. What do? I just try to make high quality videos. I think that's basically it's even stated on my channel banner or channel what's it called, description. Thank you for everyone who has been watching me since then, since this whole learning stage. Also for people who subscribed recently and have been watching my new videos, my new tech videos, and for future people who probably might find me from this video or even from my next few videos after this one. Thank you. I think that's basically all I have to say. I could literally go on my knees and like thank you guys so much for like the Chinese way. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for the support and everything. But yeah, it's been a blessing so far. So over the past 2 years, my life has changed. I wouldn't say YouTube has changed my life, even if in a way it did. But yeah, my life has changed. If you told me I'll be where I am today, like 3 years back, I don't think I would believe you. I always hated the quality of my videos, to be honest. I never just liked how they looked. And yeah, here we are. I wouldn't say this is the best, but this is way better than what I used to get. And I'm just so thankful to God that this is where I am able to reach in a very short span. Like just a few months ago, I don't think my videos were looking like this. Even my last video wasn't even looking like this. It's like what Chevron said, slow motion is better than no motion. This has basically been so slow motion. My videos evolving, the quality of my videos evolving over the years. It's been slow motion, but at least there's been motion. Yeah, finally, I got a MacBook. I wish I could show you guys. Can I? I got a MacBook. Like I earlier said in one of my update videos that I was going to get a MacBook. I finally did. And yeah, I think this was one of the things that made me feel like, okay, I'm really making progress in like everything I wanted to do. Because I remember having a MacBook used to be like a dream, an actual dream. Sorry, I'm looking at myself. It used to be an actual dream. And now like seeing dreams come true, it's just it's just remarkable. I won't lie. M1 Pro, MacBook Pro 2021, 16 gigs of RAM and 512 SSD. M1 Pro, I think is 10 core. Is this 16 core? I really can't remember. I lost my knowledge of that. But yeah. Secondly, I got a camera. Yay. It's been long overdue. I was always the kind of person who loved like to make quality videos. I would watch MKBHD, try my possible best to like imitate MKBHD as much as possible. Try multiple things basically. I think there was this time I was doing graphic design, then I got some money, and then there was this YouTuber Mohammed Agbadi, I think that's his name. His videos had this kind of black backdrop and him in the front, and I felt like, oh, that's something I could do. And then I tried it, and then like I think I used this phone, or was it my S8? I think it was this, I can't remember. But it didn't give me close to what I was expecting. What I pictured in my head, it didn't give me even close to that. Like I've been through a lot when it comes to like video quality. I'm a sucker for quality. I try to get the best quality, but like every single time I try something and I feel like it's going to work, it ends up like looking worse than I ever thought. So I've been through a whole hassle with that. Got the camera, and as you can tell, like even having the camera, it took its own like learning process in the whole thing. Because I've had this camera for like I think 6 months. Is it up to 6 months? Probably up to 6 months. And you can see even when I started using the camera, I've been slowly evolving because I've been learning as I went, or as I go, whichever one. I'm not an English student. I've been learning as I go, and I finally got a new lens, the Sigma lens. I made a video about it. I posted it a few days ago. It is like a human tendency to feel like I could do better. My video qualities could be better. Like there's always going to be something, but like I try to make this channel updates video because it does give me like something to look back on and be like, okay, I've actually made progress. Like if I watch this video like maybe 5 years from now and see where I was, I think we're currently at 8,000 subscribers. I think 8,188 was the last thing I saw. I'm pretty sure by the time I see this video back in like 5 years, it's going to be like It's going to be epic, to be honest, because I know that this channel update video, this is basically the purpose of a channel update video, to like look back what went down 5 years ago, 1 year ago even, and just see what the progress has been like. Because truly, if you think about it, progress is happening regardless. Whether it's slow, whether it's fast, it's going on. I don't think there's, as long as you're doing something towards your goals, I think progress is just eventually going to be there. I always wanted 1,000 subscribers. I think it has been a dream since I started this whole YouTube thing 2017. It has been a dream to like get 1,000 subscribers. We're sitting at 1,100, like 100 more, almost 200 more than my initial goal. So I don't know. I don't speak about my next goals for the channel, but I think thank you will be dope. I won't lie. Thank you subs will be pretty nice to get. But yeah, this whole thing is still weird to me. It's still new. Talking to a camera thing is still pretty new. So it feels, I'm just trying to be relaxed as I'm talking now. And I think this is how my videos are supposed to even be, to be honest. I don't think I want to fake energy that I don't have. Like, I can't be Mr. Beast or Kai Cenat. I don't think I can. But like, this is the energy I can give, and this is the energy I would give to the best of my abilities. Yeah, thanks to everyone who has stuck around the channel from day one. Do I know anybody who has been here since day one? Let me know in the comments if you have been here since I had like less than 100 subscribers. If you think you were there, just let me know down in the comments. Yeah, channel update video. I think this should be channel updates 3. I think. I'm not sure. I've lost count. It's so little, but I've lost count. If you want to see where all this growth would be going to, you know what to do. Subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video.